AI cake decorating videos are going viral all over social media. Now let me teach you how. So guys, once you log into your ChatGPT account, you're going to paste the prompt that I'm leaving in the description, and then you're going to hit enter. And let's see what ChatGPT gives us. So ChatGPT has given us 10 cake ideas to choose from. I am going to choose number 1 because I like roses on a cake. So I'm going to type in 1, then hit the enter button. So ChatGPT has given us our image prompt right here, and also our video prompt as well. You can easily scroll down to the bottom with the other prompts as well. Okay, so there's our second video prompt. But guys, we're gonna go right back to the top, and what we're gonna do is copy our image prompt here. Right click, copy it. Okay, guys. So next thing you want to do is go to Google, type in Flow AI, and click on this one at the top here. Okay, guys, I already have an account with Flow AI, but if you didn't, you can easily create one by linking it to a Google account. Once that's done, come down here below and click on New Project. Okay, guys, the next thing you want to do is come below, click on Video, click on Image. Make sure the ratio is 9:16. This is going to remain on Nano Banana 2 because I wanted the images to be free. Down below, it determines what you want Flow AI to create for you. I'm going to click on 2. Then I'm going to right click and paste my prompt from ChatGPT and hit the enter button. Let's see what it gives us. Yeah, so Flow AI has given us our images. So this looks realistic, looks pretty good to me. Let's look at the second one. I'm going to go with this one right here, okay? Okay, guys, we're back in ChatGPT. We're going to go ahead and copy our video prompt. So once again, highlight, okay? Right click and click copy. Okay, guys, we're back in Flow AI. Click on the bottom, Nano Banana 2, click on video. Make sure it remains on 9:16 ratio. BO 3.1 light is fine. I'm going to change from 2x to a 1x video, and I'm going to click animate, and I'm going to right click and paste my prompt from ChatGPT, and then hit the enter button. Okay, go ahead and press the play button. As you can see, it looks realistic. The quality is good. Okay, guys, we're going to drag this thing all the way to the end. Go to the top. Click on this box right here. It's going to say Save Frame, okay? We're back in ChatGPT for our next video prompt. Go ahead and copy it. Okay, guys, so the next thing we want to do is come back here at the top. Click on the 3 dots. Click Animate and paste the second video prompt from ChatGPT and click the enter button, okay? And let's see what Flow AI gives us. Okay, once your video has downloaded, go to the top and click on the 3 dots, scroll down and click on download, then click on 720, and make sure, guys, you download both videos. Once that's done, then go to your editing software. Okay, guys, so I am using Canva as my editing software. I've already uploaded my videos, and I've added the black rectangles on both sides. Once you make sure that both videos run together smoothly, go over to the share button and download them as a video as one file, okay? For more tutorials like this, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.